I know that feeling. You walk into a room filled with new people, filled with people that you don't know. You don't even have a single friend in there. How do you socialize? How does one socialize in an unfamiliar environment? I will say in today's day and age, being a Gen Zer myself, growing up with technology, phones, social media, a lot of times we feel a bit uncomfortable just speaking to people and kind of putting yourself out there, trying to make new friends or new connections. In this video, I'll give you 2 simple tips on how to socialize better. That's gonna help you out immensely in the socializing game. Quick backstory, I used to be a bartender. I stopped bartending about a month ago. But being in such a social environment with me having to speak to everybody that comes and sit at the bar, but also noticing how people interact amongst each other has helped me a lot just with learning how human social connection goes. And the first tip that I have for you to get better at socializing is to do something called go first. A lot of times we as humans, and especially younger people like Gen Zers, will have it as like some weird thing in our heads where we want people to come up to us. So we want that person to come across the room and talk to us first, even though we might be interested in them. You don't want to face the rejection of like going up to them and maybe making yourself look like a fool, introducing yourself. But if you want to become better at socializing with people, you actually have to take that leap and extend the olive branch, as they say, and potentially make that risk of looking stupid or maybe having somebody not rock with you, but you have to go first. Go up to the person and introduce yourself. Hi, my name's Alton. I just thought that you seemed pretty cool. I just wanted to come say what's up. How's your day going? It's gonna be weird and kind of robotic at first, but as you do it more and more, you'll start to recognize and pick up patterns within people that then you're able to use on other people. So like with anything, by doing this and practicing it, you'll become better at it for the future. The second thing that has helped me out immensely with socializing with people, a lot of people in my friend group will say that I'm the best at getting people just to like me or relating to people. And there's one main super simple thing that I do that I heard a long time ago, but a lot of people don't do it, and it helps a lot with making people feel comfortable around you. It's just something as simple as called mimicking. So if you're around somebody and you see they have like a certain type of body language, so maybe their shoulders are back and they're just kind of really stiff. Well, in a lot of ways, to make them feel more comfortable, you just want to do the same thing that they're doing. So if they have like a high up and down tone of inflection where they tell stories like super animated, and then they might go slow on certain other parts to really get their point across. Well, you kind of want to mimic and do that same thing in what you're saying as well too. So mimicking people's body languages and also mimicking like what they're saying down to even how they're talking. It just shows humans that, oh, this person is like me. And it helps them drop that barrier so they're just a little bit more comfortable around you. Now, I'm not telling you guys to be fake or not be true to yourselves, but there's almost like a fun and like mimicking people, because it's so interesting, guys, but you allow people to just really be themselves and show you who they really are. And who knows, maybe that could lead into something bigger and better in the future. I know socializing can be hard, but being alone is also hard as well. So if you're somebody like me who's constantly looking for new friends and just new connections, because connections and relationships really do make life worth living. It's like the difference between doing something alone and doing something with a friend that you really love and enjoy having around. It's a night and day difference, so it's worth it, guys. It can be a little bit awkward at first, but I believe in you and I know you can do it. Comment down below, have you guys heard any of these topics, like these steps I've just mentioned? And have you utilized them before? How have they worked for you? If you guys want to learn more about a topic like this, make sure you hit the subscribe button and turn on the post notifications so you don't miss when I post a follow-up to this video. And give this video a like because it does help it in the algorithm. If you're a young man watching this and you're trying to figure out how to attract young women better, I have a video for you to check out over here that just tells you a 1-step method on how to attract your crush. I love you guys, and I'll speak with you very soon.